Okay, this is my Scout. The problem is when I turn him on, this red light blink and never stop. I have tried many times. The light, green and blue, it's blink, red, GPS, this is extra, I have other. Before I have this problem, we have crash and this arm was broken, so I changed the motor and this board. This is a little different from the other, here and here. I have buy a lot of spare part for him. I have 5 motors, 3 of this, 3 body, a lot of pipes, and this part, and something else. Not this, not this, not this. I have 3 this.